I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can recover your Upwork account. It's pretty simple. You just want to search for Upwork login on your browser. So just search for Upwork login. Click on the first option. It'll take you to the login page of Upwork. Over here, enter your email or username, whichever thing you remember when you created your Upwork account, enter that. So I remember my email, so I'm going to enter my Upwork email and I'll click and continue with email. And on the next step, it is going to ask you the password of your account. Since we don't remember our password, we are going to click on forget password. Once you click on forget password, basically it's going to ask you for your email or username. You can enter whatever you want. I'm just going to enter my username and click on I'm not a robot to verify I'm not a robot. Once you verify you're not a robot, click on send email. Once you do that, a verification link is going to be sent to your email. So whichever email you used when you created your Upwork account, go check that mail. You guys can see Upwork has sent me this verification link. I need to click on update password and it'll take me to my password changing place. Over here, I can basically verify my first step. So I'm going to verify myself first. After you verify yourself, it is going to take you to this place where you guys can enter your new Upwork password. After you enter your new Upwork password, click on update password and your Upwork password will be changed. So that is how you guys can change your Upwork password and recover your Upwork account. Hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.